The HERTURTI Portable Nebulizer 04 produces a very fine, consistent mist that reaches deep into the lungs while staying remarkably quiet, which makes it comfortable for both adults and children. Its compact, palm-sized body and lightweight design make it genuinely easy to slip into a bag or pocket, so it works well for travel, commuting, or keeping in a child's backpack. The built-in digital display clearly shows mist intensity, remaining session time, and battery level, allowing users to adjust settings quickly and avoid surprises during treatments. With 3 selectable mist strengths, it can be tailored for different ages and breathing needs, from small children to older adults, who may prefer gentler or stronger output. The angled medication cup helps the liquid collect where it is actually nebulized, which cuts down on waste and makes each treatment more efficient and reassuringly thorough. A dedicated self-cleaning mode helps flush out residue and prevents clogging, so the nebulizer stays reliable over time with less manual maintenance required.